Hello guys, so on today's vlog, this is a quick vlog regarding A7C Mark II. We have already, or A7C Mark II and A7R, A7CR. So again guys, we received already the Smallrig cage kit from A7C2 and also for A7CR. So let's check the cage guys and I'm gonna show you. Yeah. So this is the cage. Uh, yeah, just as simple as that. And you have small pouch. I think uh, this is for HDMI something. I think that is the cage. Okay. So you have already your screw here. So you don't need to buy an extra screw or something. And let's put the camera here. A7C. Okay. It's fit perfectly. Yeah. This is the A7C. Yeah. So ganyan. So, yeah. So you have a cage for your A7C Mark II and A7CR. And it's 100. This Arca Swiss. Again, this is an Arca Swiss all the plate and yeah. So batteries here, compartment and yeah. So yeah, guys. So this is our vlog for today. If you are looking for a cage for A7C Mark II and A7CR, it's already available here in AB World Symphony or Megastore showroom. So yeah. Or you can visit also to our other showroom, which is Igayla and Shamiya showroom. So and guys, I think that's it for today. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of the Smallrig cage for your A7C Mark II and A7CR, you can visit our website, www.abworld.com. So yan, hanggang dito lang. Thank you and mabuhay.